Parkland Cares is a nonprofit organization founded days after the mass shooting at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School on February 14, 2018. Our mission is to provide funding for trauma care and mental health services by awarding grants to local nonprofit agencies. After February 2018, many have come to learn firsthand that trauma can uproot the lives of survivors, their families, and the community, leaving many to struggle with the emotional and psychological impacts long after the traumatic events have passed.
The gateway to our services is basically young people who have experienced abuse, neglect, or abandonment in our community. We serve foster care, relative care, homeless youth, and youth aging out of the foster care system. And we want to really thank Parkland Cares for extending its mission, because we've been in this community since 1985, treating trauma. And so this grant from Parkland Cares gives us the opportunity to expand our mental health services to these young people who walk through our doors every day with scars on their souls.
Flight Center provides programs and services to youth aging out of foster care. We provide education, employment, housing, system of care coordination, and most recently, health and wellness services to our youth and their children. And with our partnership with Parkland Cares, we're able to continue to expand our services, and we're excited to expand the partnership with the near future.
Eagles Haven was opened to be the community wellness center for those impacted by the tragedy that happened at Marjory Stoneman Douglas. We have partnered with Parkland Cares, who has expanded our opportunities to be able to offer walk-in crisis support and crisis management and referrals. We're able to connect clients pretty quickly to all different services that meet their needs, as well as this expanded partnership with Parkland Cares to help continue growing this mission throughout the community.
211 is a health and human service and crisis and suicide-related hotline. All you have to do is dial the simple phone number 211 and we can connect you with help and support. 211 Broward is so proud to partner with Parkland Cares, especially now. So many people in our community are struggling with mental health. We need to destigmatize that issue and encourage people when they're struggling to reach out.
Behavioral Health Associates of Broward has partnered with Parkland Cares basically since day one. Through their support, we have been able to provide over 2,700 hours of counseling services. The services that we have been able to provide because of Parkland Cares has changed lives and saved lives.
We're here to provide answers for today's families. We do that through our residential program for at-risk youth, our single mom program where we provide them basic needs such as their food, for clothing. We're so thankful for Parkland Cares though, because we also have a counseling center to work with children, adults, families, couples who are going through different traumas, who've gone through different just challenges that they're struggling to overcome. So we're so thankful for Parkland Cares who's partnering with us to help those families.
Our mission is to strengthen families and improve birth outcomes in the underserved communities within Broward County. We're so excited to be working with Parkland Cares and being able to expand this program and helping families heal.
My name is Abby Mosier. I'm the founder and executive director of Tomorrow's Rainbow. We're a children's bereavement center that provides grief support free of charge to children and teens that are suffering from the tragic death of a loved one. We want to be able to make sure that we provide services, not only immediate services, but for years and years to come, so that we can help those victims heal from this tragedy. When we started providing services immediately following the Parkland shooting, all of our additional programming was unfunded, and this grant gives us the opportunity to not only support the Parkland community, but make sure that there's no negative impact on the clients that Tomorrow's Rainbow already serves.
We started working with Parkland Cares just after the tragedy at Marjory Stoneman Douglas, and we've continued to support them. Nobody should grieve alone, and we will continue to do that. Thank you, Parkland Cares.
Parkland Cares has awarded us grants over the last several years, particularly to serve youth in the Parkland area, and we're here for anyone, anytime, no cost, and this program is made possible through Parkland Cares.
Every hour of every day, someone in Broward County is searching for assistance. Knowing where to go is the first step to recovery. We have stepped up to help the Parkland and Coral Springs community, and now we have expanded our mission to help many more in South Florida. We help organizations by funding mental health counseling for children who have aged out of foster care, bereaved mothers, low-income families, and more. We are committed to making a difference through compassion, connection, and community so that together we can save lives.